guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add styles and effects to your text on CapCut PC. So select text and add in your default text. I'm just going to change this so you can see it better, and I'm just going to stick with this default text. Just type in any text you want here, and here's where you can change the font, the size, and you can also change the color here if you want to. Like right here, and you can also change the preset style, the position, the spacing. I don't really use these, but I'm also going to go to effects to add in some text effects. There's a lot that you can choose from. You can choose this one, which I really like on that specific font. There's just a lot that you can select. So just select the effect that you want and add it on there. You can also add in this bubble effect, like this one for instance, or this one, that one. But that's basically it. You can also add in an animation if you like to. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!